What's going on, Mother Truckers? Have any of you ever been given crap equipment to work with? I know I have. And when you're new, you don't know, you jump in the truck and you go. But that's where it's wrong, because that is illegal. You have to have equipment that's safe for the road, and that's why you always have to pre-trip everything before you go. I don't care if it's your equipment or not. You might be doing power only. If you get to that trailer, do not just hook up and go. You gotta pre-trip it. You need to look and inspect it to make sure it's good, because your license is on the line. What's going on, Mother Truckers? All I have to say is nobody can force you to do anything. Here's a situation, no disrespect, but if you have a crappy operation and you're trying to get your company drivers, maybe they have, I don't know, something on their license, maybe they can't get hired, but you're willing to hire them, so you're giving them crap equipment to use, shame on you. But here's a subscriber that says, "Hello sir, I follow your YouTube channel and I watch all videos of yours, and I have one question that I don't know. Can you help me out on this? My company gave me a truck and my truck wings broke, and my company takes it out and I have front mirror are scratched. Is this legal to drive if police officers pull me over? Do I get a ticket for that?" Yes, 100%. You will get a ticket. You drive a semi-truck and trailer that is not up to code to be safely on the road. So just know that. No one can force you to do this. They might seem like they can, but they can't. That piece on the broken wing, probably not a big deal. I don't believe. Triple check me on that, Mother Truckers. But a big crack in the windshield, yes, that would be illegal, because that'd be distracted driving. And I've gotten a ticket for that, for having a small crack in my windshield. So Mother Truckers, do not let your company or owner-operator that you're working for give you crap equipment to work with. Mother Truckers, comment down below of any situation that you've been in like this.